Are you contemplating buying a self-cleaning cat litter box? Yet there are so many options available, it can be difficult to understand what's best suited for your cat. To aid in your decision, we'll be covering one of the best self-cleaning cat litter box, for multiple cats. If you are looking for a reliable and highly effective product, the Nature's Miracle Multi-Cat Self-Cleaning Litter Box fits that desire perfectly. Features smart detection motion sensor, and removable automatic rake for convenient cleanup. Automatically scoops itself after every use for a clean and fresh start every time. Litter box is great for frequent travelers, families and children, and multi-pet households. On top of that, also includes a night light setting to create nighttime visibility for your cats. Here are the specifications of this great product. Here's why we think this model is the best value product. Here are the ratings of this great product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below, and we will get back to you as soon as we can.